Tanaw sa camera, sir. Then smile a bit, smile a bit, smile a bit. Hello again, YouTube. Ronald here for another drawing video this week. Today I'm gonna be drawing a self-portrait of myself, but as a cartoon character. I cannot claim that this is my style, but let's just say this is how I see myself as a cartoon character. The materials I use for this drawing are generic sketchpad I bought from my local art supply store here in Cebu, Palomino Blackwing pencil, Crayola washable markers, Sakura Pigma micron pen, and Prismacolor colored pencils. Again, I will be leaving you with the rest of the time lapse. Hope you enjoy. This is the final result. Feel free to comment below if it is a yay or a nay. Please follow me on my Instagram account. It's @Lanierski to be updated with my art challenges. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, and see you next episode.